Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch. This is the 2021 model with the M1 Pro chip. It's got 16 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage. So let's open it up and see what comes in the box. So it comes in a very heavy duty box. So the computer itself is relatively heavy and it feels really nice. So what else comes in the box? We've got a cable, USB-C to magnetic. And what else comes in here? Oh, we got the charger down below. Very nice charger. Okay, so let's take a look at the laptop. You're going to open it up right here. Very nice. Yeah, that's a very nice looking screen. There's the keyboard, a really big trackpad. You got your fingerprint reader up here. You know, the keys. Yeah, when you first turn it on, it says the word hello. Then it's going to come up, ask you if you want English. But the keys feel really nice. Okay, so over here on the left-hand side, we do have two USB-C ports. You can charge it with the USB-C, but it also has that magnetic charging port. Let's see how far it opens. So that's as far as the hinge will go right there. And it closes. Here's what the bottom, nice big pads on the bottom. So here's the other side. It does have an HDMI, another USB-C, and an SD card slot. Now around back, underneath the hinge, that's where the ventilation is. You can see there is some ventilation there. And over here on this side too, that the left side with the charging port, you'll see there's another slot for ventilation right there. And then also on this side, same nice slot for ventilation. Okay, so here's the charger that comes with it. It's got USB-C output. That's what this cable is going to plug into. You can take this off, but it doesn't come with any other cable or anything. Okay, so the model of charger, it's an A2452, and it's a 140 watt charger. So the charger measures almost 3 3/4 by about almost 3 inches, and then thickness wise, 1 inch. So let's take a look at the cable that comes with it. That's a very nice looking cable that comes with it. So this cable is kind of like braided. It's got a little bit of texture to it. It feels very durable. This is what you're going to plug into the computer. This is what you're going to plug into the charger. And then over here on this side, this is how you're going to charge the MacBook Pro. This can go in either way, but it is magnetic. And it's held in there really good. So you got to give it kind of a tug to get it off. Okay, so I've got it plugged in. So there is a light on top of it to let you know that it is charging it. Okay, so let's go over some dimensions. The trackpad is really big, 6 inches by about almost 4 inches. The keyboard, right at 11 inches by about 4.5. Overall, this is about 14 inches by about 9 3/4. The screen diagonally is 16. It's just a little bit bigger than 16 inches, not much. Yeah, here's what the screen is diagonally, 16 inches. But left to right, you're looking at about 14 inches. So again, there's what the keyboard looks like. There's all the different keys that come on it. So it does come with some literature inside. Let's see what's inside it. MacBook Pro. So it does give you kind of, so that on the left-hand side, that is a headphone jack. 2 Thunderbolt 4s. That's called the MagSafe 3. SDX card slot, Thunderbolt 4 on the right-hand side, and HDMI. So this is a little harder to get into, I'm not sure. So there is some Apple stickers in here. There's 2 Apple stickers. I don't think there's anything else in this. Yeah, it's just a piece of cardboard. So let's go over thickness. So thickness is about a 1/2 inch. Maybe just a little bit more. Again, this does have some weight to it. Yeah, you can definitely feel it is quite a bit heavy. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.